Hello friends, welcome to the channel Autism with Koirav. Now today in this video we are going to discuss about how we as a family coped up with autism when we got to know that Koirav has autism spectrum disorder. Now, when we got to know that Koirav has autism spectrum disorder, then we had followed 5 tips through which we had restricted ourselves in various ways, and then we started the fight for autism along with Koirav. So, to know all the 5 points or the five tips, please be connected with us and please like and subscribe the channel so that you can get to know, get even more videos from our channel. The first tip that we followed was acceptance of the disorder. You have to accept that yes, you have been diagnosed, your child have been diagnosed with autism, you have been diagnosed as an autism family, as autism parents, and you have to start fighting a war. You have to start fighting with your child, and you have to go through all the hurdles that will come to you in the next following few days, following few years. So, and you have to accept the fact that yes, your child has autism, and you will not let anything go out of your hands. You will not let your motivation go down, and you have to accept the fact that yes, your child has autism, and you will do whatever therapy is required, whatever things that is there for you to do for your child, and you will be with your child and move forward and make him a person who will survive his life with autism. But maybe after down the line, after 5 to 6 years, it will be that your child will be having no signs for autism, but autism will be his nature. And the second tip that we followed when we got to know about the diagnosis is that unwanted contacts or unwanted relatives. Now, you will let only those people know about what has happened with you and your child, only to those people who will help you out. The people whom you feel that they will not be giving you any fruitful outcomes when they get to know about this disorder. Please do not share your ideas with them. Please do not share what you are going to do with them, because it will hamper your child's development. It will hamper your child's growth, because you have to fight a very big hurdle. And when you fight a hurdle and unwanted ideas or unwanted talks come to you, then it becomes difficult for you yourself to fight that particular issues that are coming to you. So there will be multiple types of issues that are coming to you, but you will have to fight the hurdle yourself so that you can win the war. Third tip will be self-belief. So self-belief means that you need to believe in yourself. You need to have that confidence in yourself that yes, today maybe my son doesn't have much in himself, means maybe he is a blank person now because he is diagnosed with autism, and he maybe cannot do various things or various he is not very well equipped. But if you have the self-belief, and if you can motivate yourself and your family with your kid, if you have that self-belief, then obviously your family can win the war with your child becoming a person well abled to fight his own problems and win the situation when the time comes. and he can win in all the stages of his life. So first is your self-belief, and you need to believe in yourself that yes, you can do it. The fourth tip is to gather detailed knowledge. So when you get to know that your child has autism, first that you need to do is gather detailed knowledge, because like what happened with us is that when we got to know that our son has autism, we did not know at all about autism. But then what we started is we started gathering knowledge from YouTube, from Google, and from other search places, which gives you detailed knowledge about the spectrum about the disorder. You will find various books available on internet which will also help you gather knowledge about the disorder, because if you do not know about the disorder, then it will be very impossible for you to work with the disease. First you have to know the disorder, and only then, if you know the disorder, then can you then can you do with it. You can solve the problems. You can talk with your therapists, you can talk with your doctors about the disorder. If you do not know about the disease, about the disorder, then it will be difficult for you to talk with the therapist, to talk with the problems that your child is facing, and it will be difficult for you to inform people that exactly what is happening with your child and how you can cope with those situations which your child is doing. Now, working as a team is the fifth tip that we followed, is that we started working as a family, as a team with our son. We had included in this team our family members, that is me, my husband, as well as the other family members like my in-laws, and along with that, we had also included in the team the therapists, the doctors. Now, if all these people as a team work for the child, for the autistic child, then yes, obviously, if your child can also give a fight with you all, then it will obviously be possible to win the race. And yes, a team, when works hand in hand, wins a race, whether it is in the corporate or whether it's in the family. So now if we can fight the disease, fight the disorder with our child as a team, then yes, we can also win the war. Last but not the least, always remember that there should be a positive environment in your family, in your surroundings, so that your child is always boosted, positive, and is always in a positive environment, because negative environment can pull back your child and can bring him morally down. So always put positivity in your child, always stay in a positive environment. Whatever issues you're having, whatever sorrows you're having for your child, please keep them aside when you come in front of your child, and always boost him so that he can win the battle. He can win all the negativities that is coming in front of him, that yes, the other child is doing something but I cannot do. But always boost him in such a way so that yes, he can also be successful, he will also be successful, and he can also do whatever the other ones can, maybe today or the day next. If you like whatever we are discussing in this channel and in this video, please like the video, and if you have any comments, please let us know. Please let us also know through the comment box about the other topics that you all want us to make videos, and please subscribe and share the channel so that many more autism parents can look into the channel and get their required knowledge from whatever we know about autism till date in our 2 years journey till now that we are suffering from and what we have experienced from. It will be helpful if all the autism parents come forward and join hands and make this autism world a successful one for all the kids. So thank you. Please like, subscribe, share and comment on the videos and the channel. Thank you.